Let's see how to change the welding parameters of a Modbus Fronius power source. We will need to ensure that the TCP and robot payload are correctly configured. The TPSI Fronius power source has a configuration that allows changing jobs or the welding parameters from the robot. To access this configuration, we will select the Defaults tab, go to System, navigate to the next page, and select Interface Configuration. Setting the configuration to external allows the robot to control the parameterization of the power source. We can also choose internal configuration, where the welding parameters must be controlled from the power source. In this case, we will set it to external. We will record an UWeld trajectory. In this case, we will record an intermediate point from which there will be a job or welding parameters change. This way, we will demonstrate that we can make changes to the welding parameters automatically without interrupting the weld bead. After recording the UWeld trajectory, we will go to the Welding tab. Here we will find the initial and final wait times. The initial wait occurs after the arc signal is activated and before the robot starts moving. The end wait occurs after the arc signal is deactivated and before the robot moves to its exit position. These delays are aligned with the pre-flow and post-flow gas times, as well as the initial and final welding ramp times. The same values as those in the job should be entered. In the job input, we will enter the job number we want to use for the application, which we have previously configured in the welding power source. To specify a job change during a weld bead, we will select the waypoint from which the change will be made and insert an arc action instruction. We will select the arc change option, and here we can specify a different job number. Thank you for your preference.